song. He has put a new song in my mouth. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Amen. 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 Do you know why it's called a new song? Last year you might have shared testimonies, but this one you're sharing a new one. You will not need to share your old testimony. God is giving you a new testimony. I said you will have a new testimony. You will have a new song. You will have a new story. You will have a new testimony. If you receive it, shout amen. I prophesy over your 2026. It will be celebration after celebration. It will be party after party. It will be rejoicing after rejoicing. You will celebrate in January. You will celebrate in February. You will celebrate in March. You will celebrate in April. You will celebrate in May. You will celebrate in June. You will celebrate in July. You will celebrate in August. You will celebrate in September. You will celebrate in October. You will celebrate in November. You will not crown me to the mega celebration of the church. God will put a new song in your mouth. God will put a new song in your mouth. You will rejoice over your enemies. You will have reason to celebrate. You will have reason to rejoice. I prophesy over your life. You will rejoice over financial crisis. You will rejoice over